Hello viewers. Today we're diving into the exciting world of CNC machining, as I'm unveiling the creation of a new 3-axis CNC router, crafted from very stiff C-beam aluminum extrusions, and 10mm thick 6061 aluminum plates cut into the required shape. The key differences between this and my old machine are as follow. This CNC utilizes an 800-watt 24,000 RPM spindle, which is twice as much power as my previous machine. Guiding the movement along all axes are MGN15 linear rails and bearings, which ensures higher rigidity and a smoother operation. To achieve 1/100th of millimeter of precision, I've incorporated SFU Ballscrews and nuts. This combination guarantees accuracy and reliability, making the CNC router a versatile tool for any machining project. The backbone of our machine's motion is provided by 3 NEMA 24-stepper motors and a powerful 3-axis microstepping driver. This combination delivers a very precise and fast movement. All the electronics will be mounted in a well-ventilated metal case with at least one high airflow fan. Connection between the control box and the machine will be made using shielded high-quality silicon wire and GX16 connectors, which are used in aviation for their high reliability. And there you have it, a glimpse into the creation of a 3-axis CNC router that combines power, precision, and versatility. Whether you're a hobbyist, a maker, or a professional, this machine is ready to elevate your craftsmanship to new heights. Stay tuned for more exciting projects and insights. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with this project and more, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.